You are at the helm, looking at a narrow slip in a crowded marina. The wind is picking up, pressing against the boat. In that moment, if you only have one engine, you might find yourself wishing you had two. But fast forward 6 months. You are wedged into a dark, hot engine room, knees aching, trying to reach a failing water pump. Staring at a repair bill that is about to take a massive bite out of your retirement savings, you might suddenly wish you only had one. Today, we are breaking down the single versus twin engine debate specifically for retirees and first-time liveaboards. Experienced liveaboards know the real cost of a boat is measured in the years after you buy it. We are exploring the 5 things that make your engine choice the most important factor in your budget, your physical comfort, and your stress levels. Number 1, the docking dilemma. There is a real fear among older captains about maneuvering a heavy fiberglass boat in a tight space. Twin engines offer profound comfort. Because the propellers are offset, you can put one in forward and the other in reverse to virtually spin in place. A single-engine boat requires mastering prop walk and rudder thrust. But modern technology has changed the game. Almost every single-engine trawler today has a bow thruster, giving you exceptional control. Ultimately, you are paying an extraordinary premium in maintenance for the 10 minutes a day you spend docking with twins. Number 2, the engine room squeeze. As a liveaboard, the engine room is your garage. A single engine sits on the center line, allowing you to walk completely around it. Put twin engines in that same hull, and the area becomes a narrow canyon. For a retiree, crawling over a hot diesel engine to reach an outboard starter motor can be physically impossible. The moment you have to hire a mechanic to change a simple impeller because your knees will not let you reach it, your cost of living skyrockets. You lose your independence. If you want to avoid the costly mistakes the brochures will not tell you about, subscribe before you go any further, and let me know in the comments. Would you rather have a smaller boat with lower costs, or a larger boat with more comfort but higher maintenance? Number 3, the true cost of double maintenance. It is not just 2 engines. You have 2 transmissions, 2 long propeller shafts, 2 heavy bronze propellers, and double the through-hull fittings, letting ocean water into your boat. For a retiree on a fixed income, this represents constant financial pressure. Every mechanical failure is a roll of the dice, and with twin engines, you are rolling the dice twice as often. Number 4, the myth of redundancy. This is the argument you hear in every marina. If one dies, I can use the other to get home. But marine diesels rarely just break. When they die at sea, it is almost always due to fuel starvation or overheating. On most twin-engine boats, both engines feed from the exact same fuel tanks. If you take on contaminated diesel, both engines will choke and die. The redundancy is an illusion. Many cruisers prefer a well-maintained single engine with comprehensive towing insurance. Number 5, the hidden danger. With a single engine, the propeller and rudder are usually tucked safely behind a deep, solid fiberglass keel. If you accidentally run aground, that massive keel takes the impact. Twin engines cannot be protected by a center keel. By design, the propellers and rudders hang completely exposed. Grazing a sandbar means striking delicate bronze. A bent shaft means an immediate emergency haul-out, thousands in repairs, and ruined cruising plans. Single-engine boats demand a bit more patience at the dock, but they offer lower fuel bills, half the maintenance costs, a spacious engine room, and protected running gear. Twin engines offer easy docking, but demand a higher budget and physical flexibility. Boat life is only freedom when it fits your budget, your body, and your reality. Are you buying twins just to avoid learning how to dock? Let me know below. Subscribe for more honest truths, and keep your dreams anchored in reality.